So our lab is working in trying to find treatments for mitochondrial disease, which are kind of mutations that happen in the machinery of the cell to generate the energy that is necessary to survive. And we know that some neurons are more affected by those mutations. And unfortunately, when you have those mutations, then you have a very severe phenotype, and it leads to usually the death of the kids that have the mutation at an early age. So, as I said, usually mitochondrial disease affects since birth. And actually 1 in every 5,000 kids are going to have those mutations. And then they are not going to be able to do most of the things that kids do. And they are going to, unfortunately, it's going to cause the death at an early age. And today, there's no treatments for those diseases. So we have found the specific neurons that are affected by mitochondrial disease. And what we want to figure out is which are the mechanisms that are causing the death of those neurons. If we can find what mechanisms are using neurons to survive, maybe we can find good treatments for this disease, which are currently unavailable.